Welcome to Allegedly Tarot. Hi, my lovely friends. Wow, did you see that ranker.com? And it said Meghan is #1 most disliked celebrity and Harry is #2, and they both came above Diddy. So, wow, that's crazy. I'm going to use the magical Nordic Tarot for this, and we are going to see how they both felt. How did they both feel about being the #1 and #2 most disliked? And it came out after that that picture, that, you know, the holiday card. How do they feel about being the most disliked celebrities above P. Diddy and above Ellen? And everybody knows what kind of backlash she got because of her awful attitude and questionable actions. So anyway, how does Meghan Markle and oops, I'm gonna try this again because let's see. How does Meghan Markle and Harry feel about being the most disliked celebrities? Let's ask about Meghan first. Okay, so how does Meghan feel about being the most disliked celebrity? Oh, the Ace of Pentacles. And that would be, well, it's like a giant no because it's in reverse, you know, but this is affecting her. This is going to affect her money as well, you know. Everything she touches is just, it goes to pot, doesn't it? So and this is also saying about luck, if you see that at the bottom. But she is very unlucky because of her, well, she's just not a very nice person, is she? So how does Harry feel about the being #2? Does he, death, whoa, death in reverse. There's no coming back from that, guys. There is no coming back from that. I mean, upright, if you see, look at that. It says rebirth, but death in reverse. And it could be a physical death too, but I mean, I asked, how does he feel about that? And also, now this is just a, you know, a thought, because death is King Charles as well. So it could be as well about the way he has treated his dad, you know, like it's all dad's fault. For the king, right? So, but this would be his dad. So, I mean, well, there could be something to that, right? So what I was going to do is ask my lovely pendulum, and I'm going to ask Aggie today. It was just a bit of fun to do that. Pull a couple of cards there. So I'm going to ask Aggie about this. So Aggie, will you please tell us, Meghan Markle was in the, what was it called? The ranker.com, listed #1 in the most disliked celebrities, and Harry was #2, and they both came above Diddy, which is #3, and Ellen DeGeneres, and even Oprah. I think they were 4 and 5. So now we're going to ask Aggie to pick up some of those energies, and let's clear it first. And also, I'm spraying for this one because of all the bad energies and stuff. So this is Michael protection, the angelic magical spray Michael protection for protection. So yeah, just asking Archangel Michael to protect us because of the people involved in the energies and stuff. So we're asking Aggie, please tell us, what does Meghan Markle think about being #1 disliked celebrity? What does she think about that, please? She is the #1 disliked celebrity, and Harry's #2. So he's always a spare. What does she think about that? Is that a D? Is that going to a D, please? Okay, I think that was a D. Next letter, please. We all are nosy and we want to know, what does Meghan Markle think? How did it affect her? We all want to know, what does Meghan Markle think and how did it affect her, etc. So you put D. That's a E. D, E. Next letter, please. D, E. Next letter, please. Okay. Are you pointing to an A? It looks like. T. Okay. Next letter. If you say death, oh my goodness. Are you going to say death? Does that mean it's a death of her career? You know what? Yes. And didn't we see that come out in Harry when I asked about what Harry thought, and it said death? Oh my goodness. Death of their career and stuff. Okay. What is she going to do? Are we going to get any backlash from this? Well, of course we are. And who will that be from, please? Who will that be from, please? I just want to know, because there's quite a few on that list. Who will be giving the backlash, please? From Meghan being #1 disliked. It looks like you're going to P. Is that right? Is that correct? P. Okay, let's give you another kickstart here. Okay, P. I'm trying to be as still as I can. Who will be giving the backlash? Yeah, any day now here, Aggie. Okay, E. Okay, next letter. Next letter. I just want to know who's going to be giving the backlash for Meghan, because, I mean, unless she flat out comes out herself and says about it. It looks like this. It feels like it's tugging to the OP. Okay. Are you trying to say people? Okay, that's going to yes. Are you trying to say, is that People or is it People Magazine? Is it People Magazine? They're her mouthpiece. People Magazine. Okay, so guys, look for People Magazine to give us a backlash. Okay, thank you so much for being here. I just thought I saw that and I thought that I would ask the questions. And I know you're nosy just like me and you want to know. So anyway, thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you all. If you like my content, please press that like button and subscribe and the bell. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.